Welcome back to Espresso Outlet. My name is Dylan and today we're going to be walking through how to pull a perfect shot and froth milk using the Breville Bambino. Let's get started. First, make sure that your Breville Bambino is warmed up. You're also going to want to have your freshly roasted coffee beans and your grinder and a milk pitcher ready on hand. Start by dosing 18 grams of coffee. Precision is key for a consistent shot. After grinding, give the portafilter a firm and even tamp. You're aiming for a flat level surface. This ensures even water distribution through the coffee puck. Lock the portafilter securely into the group head, and now we're ready to extract our shot. Press the single or double shot button depending on your preference. Watch as the espresso flows with a steady stream, forming a beautiful crema on top. You're going to want to aim for an extraction time of 25 to 30 seconds for a balanced, flavorful shot. But don't forget to try each and every one of your shots, whether it is good or bad, because it might be a shot that you really enjoy. Next, we'll froth the milk. Pour cold milk into the pitcher, filling it up to the bottom part of the spout. This part will be important because you don't want to overflow the pitcher when steaming your milk. Before steaming, always purge the steam wand to remove any residual water. So right now we're purging out the water. And we're just going to press the steam button again to stop. And once that completely stops, you're going to then submerge your steam arm into the pitcher and then press that button again. Submerge the steam wand just below the surface of the milk and start steaming. Listen for the gentle hissing sound. That is the air that's being incorporated into the milk for a silky texture. Once the milk is spinning in a whirlpool motion, submerge the wand a little bit deeper to heat the milk evenly. You want the milk to reach a temperature of around 150 degrees Fahrenheit. When the milk is velvety and smooth, turn off the steam, wipe the wand, and purge it once again to remove any of the residual milk that may be retained in the steam arm. Now gently pour your steamed milk over the espresso. If you tilt the cup and control the pour, you can create some simple latte art that's very impressive for all of your guests. Look at that beautiful texture and contrast between the rich espresso and the silky milk. And there you have it, a perfect espresso shot with a beautifully frothed milk, all made with the Breville Bambino. Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more, be sure to leave a comment below. Make sure to check out Espresso Outlet, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.